We're going to be working with birds today, and we're going to use primary colors. Those are the three colors that make all the other colors. Speaking of threes, we're going to make 3 circles on our paper. My helping hand is going to hold my circle down while my other hand traces around it with pencil. And once I have one spot, I'll move to the middle. I can fix anything that doesn't trace down, and I can put one more circle on the other side of my paper. See how sometimes I miss, but I can still get a circle. I'm going to turn my circle into birds. I've got a tail, I've got a wing, and a beak. I'll even put some feet on my bird and an eyeball. This time I think I'll draw a bird as if I'm looking down on it and seeing it from the top. And I'm putting some wings on the side, and I'm going to put a tail at the bottom. And I don't want to forget the feet. What's another thing I could try? Maybe a bird who's just looking straight over at the other two with some feet ready to go. I'm going to pick up a green crayon, and I'm just going to put a little bit of grass across the bottom of my paper. I think the only thing I will do is have my grass cover up my feet, but I'll go all the way across so my birds have a place to be. I also might take a black crayon and trace over my pencil lines so that when I finish my project, my birds really show up well. You don't have to stay exactly on your pencil lines. Do the best that you can. Ooh, I'm speeding up a little bit so we won't have to wait so long. Put your name in the top corner of your paper. So let's start to paint. We've got a yellow stick here, and remember we just have a little bit of it showing on the top. I'm going to color my first bird yellow. I'm going to go into my bird's tail, and I think I'll even make the beak yellow. Yellow is a primary color, and red is a primary color. If I take the red and I put it on top of the yellow, what's going to happen when I mix yellow and red together? Let's find out. Wow, I get a very deep orange, almost like a reddish orange, and my bird has lots of fuzziness to him. I like that. Let's try yellow again. So I'm going to color my bird yellow with just a little bit of the stick coming out of the top. What will happen if I put blue on top of my yellow? yellow and blue make? Let's find out. As you can see, yellow and blue make green. I have one bird left. I've tried these two colors together. I've tried these two colors together. Now I'm going to try these two colors together. I'm going to start with the blue one and just color in my bird right around in the circle and the tail. I think I will leave the beak blank for now. Here comes the red. I'm getting a very dark purple. And again, that nice fuzziness that makes my bird look soft. I think I'll put a little bit of yellow on the beak. And because my purple is so dark, I'm going to go back with my black crayon and just darken up my wing and my eyeball a little bit. And we've got 3 secondary birds from mixing our primary colors: orange, green, and purple.